Hey guys, welcome back to Restoration Made Simple. Today I want to talk about knowing what resources you have available at your disposal. Specifically, I want to talk about if you get a large loss, you get in there and you realize you're not going to have enough equipment or you're not going to have enough labor to be able to do the job that you need to. Oftentimes my clients will call me and go, Nate, this is a demo job that we could never handle. But if you have the right connections, you can handle it. The other biggest problem we have is they get to a job and they realize they don't have enough equipment. It's a job that requires 200 fans, they might only have 100. So my challenge to you is make sure that you prepare now and have connections with temporary staffing firms. Make sure you know who the representative is, go to lunch with them, and make sure you have a friendship. The other one is make sure you have connections with equipment companies, whether it be a Ramsco or Jon-Don, and same thing. Make sure you know who the sales rep is so that when you call them, hopefully they're going to pick up that phone and they're going to be able to help you out. If you have connections in these two areas, it's going to make it so that you should hopefully be able to handle most all large losses, knowing that you have connections in these industries. Go ahead and follow us on restorationmadesimple.com and check out our YouTube page. Thanks, guys.